In this video, I will show you various methods on how to combine data from multiple cells into one. In other words, how to merge cells content, whether working with text, dates, numbers, or formulas. Let's begin. In the first example, I will merge the content of these cells by adding the AND symbol in between. So the formula would be my first text, the AND symbol in between, and then my second text. If I double-click on the formula, we can see the cells highlighted are included in the merge. With the AND symbol, you can join more than two cells. If I drag the formula and add a third cell to it, it will be joined with the first two. Now for the third example, I would like to add a space between both texts. I will drag the formula and add the AND symbol and two quotation marks containing space. Excel understands the contents between the quotation mark as text, in this case a space, and merges it between both cells' content. In some cases, we want to add a text that is not included in a specific cell. We can type in the text between quotation marks and it will be added to the content combination. For example, if I join the text between both cells and add @gmail.com between the quotation marks, the text I typed in will be merged with the other cell's content. This can be dragged and applied to other cells. Another method to combine cells' content is the concatenate function. Type in equal, conca, and press tab on the keyboard. Excel will continue writing the first function from the function list. Enter in the argument the cells you want to combine, a semicolon in between, a comma if you are using the American system. Close the parenthesis and press enter. As you can see, the cells will be combined. If I want to put a space in between, just like before, I will enter a space in quotation marks. Now this function has three arguments, cell 1, space, and cell 2. As you can see, the space is now included. The same applies for any text I type in. If I add @gmail.com in quotation marks as a third argument, it will be included in the combined content. With dates, this can be a bit tricky. If I apply the formula on a date, the date will be displayed as a number. Now if I copy this date and format it as a number, you will see that Excel transforms it into a number. With the text function, we can control how the format is displayed. To get an idea of how the format of date is displayed, press Ctrl+1 to get to the Format Cells dialog. In the Custom section, you can see how dates can be displayed. Since I have a Microsoft German format and license, the dates will be displayed accordingly. If you have an American license, you will have different formats. So in my case, T stands for day in German format, M for months, and G for years. With the American system, it will be D for days, M for months, and Y for years. Now I will go back and use the text function with this format. As you can see, the numbers are displayed accordingly to the format chosen. So now I will nest the text function in the concatenate function. And voila, the results we need. If I go back, choose another format, and adjust it in the text function, the displayed results will adjust accordingly. I hope this does not confuse you with the German format. Simply go to Format Cells, the Custom section, and copy the format code available in your country in the text function. Numbers work just like text. If you apply the concatenate function, the row number will be displayed. If you want to change how they are displayed, you must use the text function just like before. For example, to add a dot before the thousands, I will first check how this format code looks like. A preview can be seen here. Then copy it in the text function and nest it in the concatenate function. The results will be displayed accordingly. When using formulas, the results will be displayed. If your formula returns numbers and dates, apply the same steps we discussed before. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something new and found what you were looking for. Thanks for watching.